way too much rain. Like, what in the world? Oh my gosh. This is so much. This is so much. Look at it. Like, we're in Green West Winter, and it is August 5th on somewhere in 3 p.m. Then this is what it will look like. Oh my god. In 2023. Who in the world? That is way too much. I can't believe that there's rain 4 days in a row. Oh, mega something. And about the electricity cut off about 2 minutes before I filmed this video. So yeah. Oh, and there's another lightning strike. And that is, oh my god. That is rain, thunder, lightning, crash, waves. Because of the 4 days in a row thunder, we didn't have to wash the plants for 4 days in a row. But some of them still got overboard. Luckily, we found a plant got way too much water, and we saved it just before it died. Oh my god. Whatever dirt is there, now it's all mud. Wow. This is so big.